Hi, I'm Rick Dimmick of the Red Noland Pre-Owned Center, and today I have a vehicle I'd really like to show you.
All right, here we have the 19 Fiesta ST line. A couple things I really like about this vehicle. It is hot pepper red clear coat. Check out that color. I also like the 5-speed manual transmission. And another thing I really like about it is the mile per gallon. This one gets 37 mile per gallon on the highway. Come see it. It's awesome.
Thank you for taking a look at this vehicle. For more information, take a look at rednolandused.com or contact me directly, 719-368-0230.